Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Lonnie K. Lonnie K. Alright, so this is starting a new vlog. I am getting ready to go unenroll the kids because they're going to be homeschooling. I'm excited for this journey. I'm excited for their growth in the process, and I get to teach them and give them love and support that they don't get at school. But anyway, this is the outfit of the day. I got some little pink Crocs, some sweatpants, and my little hoodie. Good vibes only. 2024. This is the back of it. But we're about to hit the road. This is their little cart, their schooling cart. Gotta get a couple more things. This is just what we had. Yeah. But let me get going, get this over with. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So I'll see you once I get to the school.
What can I help you?
Hi, yes, I'm coming to turn in a student's laptop.
Sure, I'll be right there.
Okay. One down and one more to go. This feels great. I'm excited for them. You know, this is a sacrifice on my end, but a great reward in the end. So, all right, I'm at destination 2. All right, so they're all unenrolled. Now we're at the library. We're gonna get our books that we're gonna read. We're not at the library we normally go to. We're at a new library by where we live. We normally go to the library by where we used to live. So I want to scope this out and see if I want to get a library card here. I don't know. We'll see. You're supposed to hold the door. I know, I did. Hold the door. Oh, for all first. How to work at the library? What? Library?
Wait, is that like one of the jelly rooms?
Meeting room? I don't know.
Jelly room? See, it says meeting room.
Let's see.
You know it's all your fault. No, I don't want to stay, no. You're breaking down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you? Me love you, it's all over. I lost my composure. I got love to show you. Would you let me love you? Me love you, baby. I got nothing to unwind.
796. Here's 793. 796. 796-323. 796-332. 3262. So that means it's somewhere over here.
62.
Is it 332? 332. But B, what is it? What's the letters? B.
S. I don't think so.
Well, look down here. Put it closer. No, it's that one.
Let me just scan my enemy.
You gotta get the green dot.
I was about to.
There you go. See? There you go. Here.
If I could do this in 3 seconds, I should be a Walmart employee.
Other one. Other barcode. Look for the library barcode. There you go. Now you press done. All right. There you go. Done. Let's go. Take this.
That's not mine.
Just hold it.
It's mine?
Yeah.
Oh my God. I should be a Walmart employee.
Turn on for 5 minutes every hour on the hour. What is this?
There will be a ball that will come up from there, and then it will go through the obstacle that will come up and hit the thing.
All right, so we are home from the library. At the library, we went to Walmart to pick up a few things. I'm getting ready to make this one pot dish of chili. So I got my ground turkey, a whole corn. This is my first time gonna try this chili bean mix. Add that in there, and I got some chili beans, and I got tomatoes. So I'm gonna cook down this first in my pot over here, and then I'll add all the ingredients. Great.
'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no cry you. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever dream of. If all you need is the time and I got energy, I better get all my love and take it home, baby. I'm gonna stay by your side, be very cool with you, and let you know everything will be alright. I wanna be down, I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. No matter the time, I wanna be down, with what you're going on. I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. No matter the time, I wanna be down,
Rip me out the plastic, I been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they running shit they really ran through. I'd spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gon' fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. Throw so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pee, rich niggas get you bought. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that nigga drive the boat. Let me pop off, leave the club sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Her bitch from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told them bitches meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Grizz. She thought I would kiss her ass, she must ain't took a mess. Shit around my neck, it cost her arm and leg. Swear that nigga set for life, I let him get me pre. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told.
Alright, so it's the next day. I didn't get to show you guys the books that they chose. This is a free time book for them. They have one free time book, one book that they're reading for school, and then there's one for doing Black History. Even though it's not Black History Month. So this is Aubrey's that she's going to read for school. This is a comic book, anime comic book she has for Aubrey. She has another one too, but you know, we'll see. This is Jaden. This is Jaden's for school.
She doesn't want to show
these are for Black History. They're both going to learn about Muhammad Ali, but of course they're on two different reading levels. So
I read those books too,
Jaden's,
Mommy. You know that.
and this one is Aubrey's. And then Jaden wants to learn how to fish. So on his free time, he will learn how to fish and about different fish.
No, it's the best.
So I'm
bait.
excited to hear about this one.
No, it's the best bait.
And that's it.
I doesn't want to show you guys that comic book because it has something in it.
All right. So today's the first official day of homeschooling, but I'm gonna end this vlog here because I'm gonna start another one.
Mommy, show my outfit.
Oh, Aubrey wants to show you her outfit. Her hair is not done. We have to do that. But yeah. Yeah, so I'm going to end this vlog here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please, it really don't cost you nothing. Please, please, please. Love you guys. See you in the next vlog.